Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today's video is a get ready with me, super chill vibes, you guys. I kind of wanted to just update you on like life, mom life, what my plans are going to be for the summer, what I'm doing and things like that. Things that I don't normally update you guys. I really want to get you more involved in behind the scenes. So I thought, you know what? Let's play with makeup. Of course, grab your cafecito, grab your brushes because we are going to be creating this beautiful spring summer look. It's such an easy look to create. You guys are going to love it. Thank you so much to Urban Decay for sponsoring today's video. It's such a pleasure to work with a brand that I have used since the beginning of my makeup journey. So with that said, we are going to be using some new Urban Decay makeup products and I'm excited to show them to you guys. So let's get ready together. Again, grab your cafecito or grab whatever you want to drink and let's jump right into today's video. I'm going to start off with my base today. I am a little dry. I think I'm just dehydrated, honestly, because my skin is typically oily, but ahorita it's like super dry. Could be the change of weather. I don't know. Maybe I'm just old. Just kidding. I'm not old, I'm young. I actually just turned 33, you guys. So I'm not feeling it yet. I still feel young. I feel good about myself. I look good. I've been told that I don't look 33, so that's definitely a plus. For my foundation, I'm just going to show you guys. I'm going to use the Urban Decay, the, what's it called? The All-Nighter in the shade 6.5. If you guys remember, I found this recently. I'm not going to do too much today, but I am going to use a more mattifying foundation since I'm going for like a fresh, kind of like springy makeup. But anyways, what is up with you guys? What is new? Tell me all about your plans for the summer. So for us, we have decided what we're gonna do. So we originally wanted to take a trip down to Mexico, right? Some unexpected expenses came up that we didn't plan on them, and they kind of took up a lot of our trip money, and so we had to change plans. So the plan for vacation now is to go back home to Utah, and some of you may be like, that's not really a vacation, and it may not be it's how do I explain it? It's not really a vacation for like me or my husband. I mean, yes, it is because you get time off work, right? The reason why we ended up deciding on going to Utah is because of Leilani. She misses her grandparents so much, you guys. Like every day she's just like, when are we going back to Utah? And I'm like, girl, that's probably not gonna happen anymore. I do miss Utah, but I don't miss it as much as I used to. I think I'm just used to Texas now. So yeah, that is the plan that we have so far as like traveling and stuff. And then we might do some other activities during the summer, but this year we're not gonna plan anything too crazy. God willing, maybe next year we can plan out something super fun. I really wish we could take a trip like to Hawaii or something like that, but girl, all that stuff is so expensive. I definitely need to save up so we can plan something big like that. If you guys have ever traveled to like Hawaii or anything like that, please let me know like what is a good thing to like budget buy, because tickets alone are super expensive. I'm gonna take the Urban Decay Quickie up to 24-hour multi-use concealer in the shade 50WY. This, as you guys know, is just like my go-to concealer. It is so good. It's creamy, it's full coverage. The wand is, oh my gosh, the perfect shape. The consistency, everything is so good about this concealer. I wanted to share with you guys this little TikTok trick or Instagram trick that I saw. A girl was using one of these to blend out her concealer and it looked so flawless and airbrushed. I was like, oh, I need to try that. So let's try this little hack and see if I like it. Instead of using like a sponge, let's go ahead and use this. So I'm just going to tap it in. And I'm going to take this into the waterline because I am going to use color. Oh, wow. Do you guys see that? That looks super soft. Have you guys tried this hack, or do you actually use this little puffer to blend out your concealer or your foundation? Let me know in the comments. While I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and set underneath the eyes. Honestly, using this sponge, it almost sets a concealer for you. I don't know if it's because I had already powder, but it did set the concealer really nicely. Oh my gosh, I really, really like this hack. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram and on TikTok because I am going to post this little hack, which honestly is pretty genius. I am going to push this product in. What other plans do you guys have? Easter Sunday is coming up. So for Easter, I don't think I'm going to do anything crazy. Maybe I'll take the kids to like an Easter egg hunt, which would be the first Easter egg hunt here in Texas. So if you guys live in Texas, like in the Houston area, please let me know of some good like places where kids can go Easter egg hunting. Lincoln is 2 years old now, so he's at the age where he knows what is going on. Like I was saying, Lincoln is definitely at that age where he is going to enjoy an Easter hunt. I think he will. Hopefully. So again, if you guys are in the Houston area, please let me know of some good like places to take the kids to go Easter egg hunting. In April, we also have Miss Leilani's birthday party. She is turning 10 and I'm going to try and vlog the whole like experience because I really want to throw her like a super cute birthday party. What we are thinking to do is rent a water slide and just have her invite like her best friends from school and just let the kids have a blast. Like that sounds so fun. I wish I would have had a childhood like that growing up, but you know, I am living through her. So we're excited for her birthday party. Actually, I'm excited. I found some really cute party decorations from TikTok. I'm telling you guys, TikTok is where it's at when it comes to anything. Party ideas, food, you name it. For food, since it's all girls and it's all kids, we're just going to do pizza. And then I'm going to order her some cupcakes or a cake. I'm not sure yet. But she wants her party theme to be Olivia Rodrigo. She loves her music. So that's what we're going to do. Purple themed, of course, because she is a purple colored queen. She loves purple. If you guys have any like party game ideas for kids, please let me know in the comment section because I'm thinking of like doing some fun little like party games. But I just don't know what. I don't have good ideas. I'm going to look up on Pinterest though. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in Original. And I'm going to take this just on the lid since I already applied concealer on my underneath the brows. For my eyeshadow, I am going to go back and forth between these two. So these are new products. This is the Urban Decay X Naked Smiley collection, and I have both palettes right here. The palette itself is absolutely gorgeous. The packaging is super, super cute. Here we have the Chill Happy palette, and this is what she looks like. This is going to be your more berry toned, pinky palette, just super pretty and again perfect for spring. But because I'm wearing a yellow top, of course I'm going to go in with the palette Mucho Happy, which is my personal favorite palette out of the collection. It's just stunning. Like the yellow, the blue, I already know exactly what look I want to go for. I'm going to start off with the shade Blast, and I'm going to take that into the crease. And because I am going to go for something not necessarily soft because it is going to be a bright and colorful look, but I do want this to be just a very relaxed, springy look. So back to the story time, chit chat, whatever you want to call it. So those are the plans for us so far. Again, I would love to know what your plans are for the summer. And again, if you guys live in Texas, please let me know like what is there to do what fun things is there to do with kids? Oh, by the way, on Saturday, this Saturday, I'm so excited. We are taking the kids to this dino, it's like a dinosaur adventure thing that they're hosting here in Houston. I am so excited. I bought these tickets back in like February, I think, because they had them for pre-sale. If you follow me on Instagram, you have to know that Lincoln is absolutely obsessed with dinosaurs. He lives, eats, and breathes dinosaurs. Like that's his obsession. So when I saw that they were having these dino adventure things here in Houston, I was like, booked and loaded. We have to go. I'm gonna take the shade Smiley, which is my favorite color from the entire palette. And I am gonna go ahead and just tap that all over the lid. Oh my goodness, look at that color. It is so pretty. I love yellow with brown eyes or hazel eyes. It's the best. It's really going to make everything pop. So I'm just going to kind of like pat it and then like blend it upwards a little. I'm going to take a little bit of Modern Mystic. This is the Chill Happy palette. And I'm just tapping the edges here. And I'm going to go in and add a little bit into the crease. I'm going to take the color Happy Trap. And I went ahead and wet my brush, the tip of the brush, using my Urban Decay All Nighter, and I'm gonna pop that into the inner corner, just right here, to really brighten up the eyes. I'm gonna go back into the Mucho Happy palette, and I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is Psyched, and I'm gonna take some to the brown bone, just to kind of like clean it up a bit. Now I'm going to go in with this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Deep End. It's a really pretty, sparkly, like turquoise, aqua blue color. And then of course we have to use the blue in the Mucho Happy palette. So this is called Cyber Smile, and it's just the prettiest aqua blue. I've already lined my lips just to save some time. Now I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Vice liquid lipstick. This has to be one of my favorite formulas because it's super soft, it's velvety, and it dries down. And the colors, I have two shades, but the one I'm going to use today is called Please. Are you guys ready? You guys know how I feel about my lip combos. And this right here, this is such a beautiful combo. And of course, we're going to set the skin using my all-time favorite Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. You guys, I live by the setting spray. I have like 2 or 3 backups because it's in rotation, especially for the upcoming summer. It's a must. And here's the final look. Ladies and gentlemen, this has to be one of my favorite super easy pop of color spring and summer looks. I loved everything. Thank you so much, Urban Decay, for working with me in today's video. Make sure you check out each product in the description box. I will have everything linked so you guys can shop for them. And seriously, you guys, these little palettes are just so cute and so perfect for the summer / springtime. So that is it for me, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your time. I love you all. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.